जमलेल्या माझ्या तमाम हिंदू बांधवांनो, भगिनींनो, मातांनो, मला एक दिवस या देशाचा पंतप्रधान बनवा. फक्त एक दिवस. एक दिवसात पंजाब आणि काश्मीरचा प्रश्न सोडून दाखवतो. एक दिवसात.
Balasaheb Thackeray, not only a person but emotion for all his followers and specially Marathi peoples. Hey guys, what's going on? Here is Mohsin Sheikh and welcome back to MSK Facts. Today in this brand new episode of MSK Facts we are talking about a man who always live in the thousands of people's heart and a person who known as a diamond of Mumbai city and Maharashtra's politics. Bal Keshav Thackeray, or better known as Balasaheb, was born on the 23rd of January 1926 in Pune. His mother name is Ramabai and father was Keshav Sitaram Thackeray. He was the eldest of 9 siblings. Balasaheb is huge known for his career in politics, but in reality he began his career as a cartoonist in the Free Press Journal in Mumbai. His cartoons were also published in the Sunday edition of the Times of India. In 1960 he launched the cartoon weekly Marmik with his brother Shrikant. He lost his wife Meenatai Thackeray in 1995. Balasaheb was survived by 2 sons, Uddhav Thackeray and Jaydev Thackeray. Third son Bindu Madhav was died in a road accident on the 20th of April 1996. He started his own political weekly Marmik and started to fight for the rights of Marathi people, and he campaigned against the growing influence and population of Gujaratis, Marwaris, and Southern Indians in Mumbai. In the late 1960 and early 1970, he built the party by forming temporary alliances with nearly all of Maharashtra's political parties. He formed a political party named Shiv Sena, means military of Shivaji, in 1966 as its Sons of the Soil movement, to fight for the rights of native Maharashtrians he believed were under threat from other ethnic migrants. Now let's talk about why every Marathi and Maharashtrians peoples love him. In 1960 Balasaheb struggled for a separate state of Maharashtra. Actually in earlier days Gujarat and Maharashtra is a single state. In Maharashtra Marathi Manus or Marathi man, losing his importance because of increasing population Gujaratis in Mumbai, or Maharashtra because I.F. is struggling. Marathi peoples get rights in Maharashtra, all Maharashtrians get Maharashtra as a state on the 1st of May in 1960, and Mumbai as a capital of state. That's why on the 1st of May of every year all Maharashtrians celebrate Maharashtra Day. If you also a big fan of Balasaheb, hit the like button and write down your suggestions in the comments section down below. On the 23rd of January 1988 he launched his own newspaper, Samna. Newspaper started by Balasaheb is still publishing in Maharashtra. Balasaheb comes in power after he won the 1995 Maharashtra State Assembly elections with combined Bharatiya Janata Party, and Balasaheb controlled the government. Indirectly in this time he was called as remote control. The government was formed with Manohar Joshi as chief minister and the BJP's Gopinath Munde as his deputy.
बालासाहेब एक रिमोट कंट्रोल आहेच जाहीर आहे, पण जेवढ्या माझ्या रिमोट कंट्रोल बद्दल एक तुम्ही चोमड्यासारखी चौकशी करता तेवढी हाय कमांड बद्दल का करत नाही? काँग्रेसचा हाय कमांड आणि माझा रिमोट कंट्रोल, कारण का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टीम आलेली आहे. ह्या मागासवर्गीयांना म्हणजे काँग्रेस सारख्या लोकांना काय कळणार? आम्ही पुढे चाललेलो आहोत, हे तेवढेच बसलेले आहेत.
Many people's mind said that Balasaheb against every Muslims, but he has declared that he is not against every Muslims but only those who reside in this country, but do not obey the laws of the land. He is huge known for his speeches and thoughts. On the 6th of March 2008, Balasaheb issued an editorial titled, Ek Bihari Saw Bimari, means one Bihari 100 maladies, in Samna, because of increasing numbers of Biharis in Maharashtra. He was very attached with many celebrities, like Dilip Kumar, one of the best friends of Balasaheb, Amitabh Bachchan, famous Bollywood actor, Lata Mangeshkar, huge famous singer of Bollywood, Rajnikant, a South Indian movies actor, Madhuri Dixit, young Bollywood actress, MS Dhoni, captain of Indian cricket team, Sunil Dutt, Bollywood actor, Michael Jackson, famous hip-hop singer and dancer, and Javed Miandad, captain of Pakistani cricket team. But I seriously don't know why Balasaheb and his party's workers many time unhappy with King of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan. On the 17th of November 2012, Saturday, he was died in his house Matoshri, in Bandra East. Thousands of Shiv Sainiks comes on the streets of Mumbai, all Shiv Sainiks and DS followers closed shops for attaining last journey of him, and a huge crowds comes on Shivaji Park, for final look and last goodbye to them hero, Bala Saheb.
इथून आपली रजा घेतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
It's been awesome to talk about a man who never gave up and successfully make big place in thousands of his followers' heart. If you guys like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. You can comment any topic if you want to know about, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel MSK Facts. Stay strong and never lost hope.